Hi everyone, hope you're okay and having a good week. So it's been a little while since I've posted a video, so I thought I'd give you an update as to what we've been up to over the last few weeks. So the last time I posted, I talked about the SMM and the preparations for the exhibition in Hamburg. So I was in the process of making sure that the stand build and all the exhibition pieces arrived on time. So I can safely say that everything turned out really well. I was really pleased with the stand design, and also the British ale managed to get there as well. So I'm sure a lot of the people that visited our stand enjoyed that just as much as our CIWS team did. So it was great. We had people from our CIWS Mexico facility that came as well, so that was great for them to be there with us. So we managed to catch up with a lot of existing customers, suppliers and friends, and we made some new friends as well. So it was a really good week, lots of positive opportunities, and I think it was even more special because we'd not been there for 4 years. So I think it was great to sort of see everybody back where we should be. So I hope everybody's having a great week, and we look forward to seeing what the next few weeks bring.